Hello everyone, in this tutorial we are going to learn about Armstrong number in C++. So what are Armstrong number? A number is an Armstrong number if it is equal to the sum of its own digits raised to the power of the number of digits. So these are the steps which we are going to follow. The first step is to get the input from the user. The second step is to pass that value to the function named as isArmstrong, which will take single argument int n. And the third step, if the returned value from the function is 1, then we are going to print that the number is an Armstrong number. Else we are going to print that the number is not an Armstrong number. So now let's see the function definition. First step is to store the value of n in temporary variable say temp. So now let's take an example. N equal to 153. So what we have to do in first step is to store the value of n in temp variable. So temp equal to n. Now the temp value will be 153. And in the second step we need to count the number of digits of temp variable using a counter say c. So the counter c value will be 3 as we are counting the number of digits of temp variable. So in the third step we need to again assign the value of n to temp variable. Temp equal to n, which again means that temp equal to 153. This reassigning work is done because while counting the value of c equal to 3, the temp value will be used, so which can be degraded. So we again need to reassign it to 153. Then in the fourth step we need to extract each digit of temp variable and then raise it to the power of c, which is nothing but number of digits in temp variable, and then add it to the sum variable. And we need to repeat this step until temp is greater than 0. So after completion of this fourth and fifth step, we will be getting the sum value as 1 cube plus 5 cube plus 3 cube, which will be equal to 153. And in the sixth step we need to check if sum double equal to n, then we are going to return 1, else we are going to return 0. So in this case the sum value is equal to n, so we are going to return 1. Now let's see the coding part of this question. Since we need to calculate the power, so we are going to include the math.h library. Therefore dash include math.h. Now we are going to define the isArmstrong function. Return type will be int. Int isArmstrong. Single argument of integer type. Then we need to declare the variables which we are going to use. So temp sum initialized to 0, and then rem, in which we are going to extract the values. So, and one more counter also we need to take to count the number of digits. So first we will be calculating the number of digits, but before that we need to assign the n value to temp while temp greater than 0, temp equal to temp by 10 counter plus plus. So in this value we are calculating basically we are counting the count of the number of digits, and then after this the temp value will be degraded, so we again need to reassign it to n. After this we will be finding the Armstrong sum while temp greater than 0, rem equal to temp mod 10, then sum equal to sum plus power of rem comma c. which is the number of digits, and then temp equal to temp by 10. So now the sum value will be stored in some variable. Now we need to check if sum value double equal to n, we are going to return 1, else we are going to return 0. Now let's move on to the main part. We need to take an integer n, get the input from the user cin, and inside if condition we need to check if is Armstrong of n, then we need to print that n is an Armstrong number, else we need to print that n is not an Armstrong number. So we are done with the code. Now let's see the custom input and check. 1634 is being passed. The output should be that 1634 is an Armstrong number. So yeah, 1634 is an Armstrong number. We are getting the correct output. Now let's check with 153. In this case also the output should be that 153 is an Armstrong number. So yeah, it is correct. Now let's take some other input. Let's take 15. Check it. 15 is not an Armstrong number. So yeah, our code here is correct. So thank you. For any queries, comment below. Please like and subscribe for further updates.